Here are 5 things you need to know before buying NFTs or meme coins. This is the future. I think when I took a look at Shiba Inu, it was 72 million % gains. I made $6 million with NFTs. Okay, not really, but I did make some money in Shiba Inu. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of these people post on social media about NFTs, how they became a millionaire from NFTs, and I wanted to get in on the action. So what I did this entire week, I did my research on NFTs, on meme coins, and I tried to get in on the action. You might be seeing all these stories about how an NFT sold for $500 million, or how someone put $1,000 in Shiba Inu and it went to $1 billion. All of these stories have people going nuts about NFTs and meme coins, shit coins, whatever you want to call them. So I did the research and I put them all in this one video. Here are 5 things you need to know before buying NFTs or meme coins. Really quick, before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This channel is growing so fast and I love making content like this. It makes me force myself to learn new things and grow with you guys. So if you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. What are they? What are NFTs? What are meme coins? Let's start with NFTs. NFTs are essentially digital assets, digital collectibles that use blockchain technology. If that sounds a little confusing to you, don't worry, it's confusing to everyone. Think about it like a collectible, like a trading card or a Picasso, Banksy, a high value collectible or art piece. Instead of having a physical portrait or something physical, you have it on your computer. It's a digital asset. If this still doesn't make sense to you, the best way to put it is it's like a skin on Fortnite or a weapon in a video game. Now you might be asking, why would someone pay millions of dollars for a picture of a monkey? And the reason is it's a collectible item. Because of blockchain technology, it allows us to make limited quantities of specific pictures or GIFs or JPEGs, whatever. Anything can be an NFT on the computer. In the same way that people pay millions of dollars or $1 million for a Pokemon card, that is what's going on with NFTs. Because they are limited, because there's only so many of them, because they're one of one, they are going to cost money because they're digital assets. Same way that you could have a one of one portrait that Picasso painted. Same way that there's the Mona Lisa. You have pieces of art that are priceless, and you see this happening online now with NFTs. This leads us to our other one. What are meme coins? I'm sure you guys have all heard of Doge by now and how people became millionaires off Dogecoin. You probably also heard of Shiba Inu, which is a newer one. There's a ton of other little Dogecoin type things. Floki Inu, Cat Girl, Poop Coin, Ass Coin, Tits Coin. These are real things, and these are all meme coins, or what some people call shit coins. Essentially what they are cryptocurrencies that have a specific purpose. Some of them are made just for jokes. A great example, Dogecoin was created as a joke, but people ran with it and it created an economy around Dogecoin. So meme coins are essentially their own cryptocurrencies, and the reason people become so rich is because stuff like this catches traction. It can go up or down or shoot and do million% gains, just like Dogecoin. I think when I took a look at Shiba Inu, it was 72 million% gains, meaning you could have put $1 in and you would have become rich just from that $1. What makes NFTs and meme coins so valuable? Nothing. There's nothing that makes them valuable per se. I think the reason why people are having a hard time to grasp all of this crazy stuff happening with NFTs and meme coins is because they don't see it. It's all in the digital world. It's not like a house when you could say, hey, this house is worth this much because I can live there and it's a big house, it's a big space. Or hey, this gold bar is worth this much. There's nothing that makes them valuable. It's all perceived value. And when you think about it, that's how we function as a society. What makes a gold bar so valuable? It's just a piece of metal. But human beings have assigned value to it in the same way that we assign value to NFTs, in the same way that we assign value to cryptocurrency, meme coins. When we do that, something has value if everyone agrees that something has value. That being said, economics still plays a huge part in if these go up or down in price. A great example is supply and demand. Because you can't recreate these, because you can't make more of them, because it shows you when they were created, same way that they have collectibles or trading cards, they show you what edition it is or when it was created, when it was minted. That's NFT terminology I learned this week. You can't recreate them, they're limited. Those NFTs that are selling for $500 million could be worth billions one day because they were some of the first NFTs ever created and you saw when they were created. As far as cryptocurrency, all the same tokens are in circulation. So all the same coins are in circulation. You're never gonna get more. You might have less, let's say they burn some, but you're never gonna get more of them. And because of that, they go up in value. You might be thinking, oh Renee, couldn't I just create a cryptocurrency or an NFT then? Because it's limited, it's gonna go up in value. And that's not always the case because the second part of that is the demand. It's not gonna go up in value. The reason these go up so high in value is because they're coveted. People want them. You see it all the time. I get approached by people every single day to promote their NFT, to promote their new crypto token, and they offer to pay me to do it because they have an agenda. Your cryptocurrency or your NFT will not go up in value unless there is a big demand for it. And that's what you see with all of these other cryptocurrencies and NFTs that have blown up. The third thing you need to know before buying NFTs or cryptocurrency: most people lose money. Yes, you might hear these stories of people becoming millionaires from NFTs, cryptocurrency, meme coins, but the sad reality is most people are not making money. Most people are losing money. Even educated traders still lose money on shit coins and meme coins because they don't know if it's going to go up or down. It's so unpredictable. The same goes for NFTs. You might find a good NFT project that you like, that you can back, that has everything you're looking for, and it still doesn't take off. It's hard to tell with any of this stuff. So yes, you might get some people that become millionaires because of NFTs, cryptocurrency, meme coins, shit coins, whatever they're promoting. Here's the sad reality. Most of these NFT projects that you see people promoting, people gassing up, they end up becoming worthless. In the same way that every single painting that was made in the 1800s or whenever didn't become the Mona Lisa or the roof of the Sistine Chapel, that's what's happening with NFTs, and that's what you're seeing. So a lot of people are creating these NFTs that end up being worthless. And for meme coins, the same thing happens. A lot of these projects end up becoming worthless. And there's a few that stand out like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, which take off like crazy and hit the mainstream, but the other ones fade into oblivion, never to be seen again. What makes it even worse with meme coins is you can't liquidate all of that unless the demand is high enough. So let's say I put $100 into Dogecoin a long time ago, but now it's worth $1 million. If I try to sell that $1 million, I have to find people to buy it. And what's gonna happen is when they buy it, the price is gonna go down because I liquidated so much. So yeah, I made $1 million, but now these people are stuck with Dogecoin as it's tanking, and I have to live with that. It's not a situation where everyone can win because the price won't stay high if everyone's cashing out. The price goes up when everyone's buying. In theory, to make money, you have to give someone else that loss. On that note, I want to move on to number 4. Where can you buy NFTs and cryptocurrency, meme coins specifically? After learning a little bit more about NFTs and meme coins, I'm still big on you guys trying it out and checking it out for yourself. I want you guys to learn about this stuff because this is the future. You might not make a bunch of money, you might not make any money at all, you might lose money, but what's important is that you learn about this stuff because this is what's coming. This is where the world is headed. If I could stay and be a businessman my entire life without having to worry about this stuff, I would, but because I know the world is changing, if I want to survive in the changing world, I have to evolve with it. So if you want to know where you can buy, sell, look at NFTs and look at meme coins, there are 2 places that primarily most people go through. The first one is OpenSeas. OpenSeas is a platform that allows people to buy and sell their NFTs. Not only that, it lets you look at which NFTs are available. It's a big marketplace, so you can find which NFTs you might be interested in, or if you just want to look and do your own research, OpenSeas is a good place to do that. Now, for the meme coins, it gets a little bit trickier because you have to do a couple different things, but the main website that you're going to buy your meme coins on, or the one that's listed on for a lot of them, is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap connects with your Trust wallet. It allows you to buy meme coins or shit coins. Make sure you guys like this video. I'm going to put a link in the description to some videos and how-tos of how to buy stuff off of PancakeSwap and how to buy stuff off of OpenSeas. The last one, number 5, and probably the one everyone's been waiting for. How do I know which NFTs and which meme coins to buy? How do I make money? At the end of the day, if you want to make quick money with NFTs and meme coins, you kind of have to be a little bit lucky because you have to know which one's going to promote the best, which one's going to market the best, where the traction is going to go, and how that's going to spike the cryptocurrency or the price of the NFT. Ultimately, if you want to make money with NFTs and cryptocurrency in the long run, you have to look for the good projects that you genuinely believe in, because the fact of the matter is most of these NFTs, most of these meme coins are going to zero, and only the ones that you believe in, that have a utility, that are actually doing something, will go up and pay off in the long term. So right now, buying NFTs and meme coins, shit coins, it's almost like gambling if you don't know what you're doing. But if you find good projects that you believe in, cryptocurrencies or meme coins, even meme coins that have a good utility, you can make some money like that. And even if you don't, you supported the project. At the end of the day, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Otherwise, everyone would be doing it. Otherwise, people like me would have figured it out already, and I'd be on a boat somewhere with Jeff Bezos, and I'm not. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.
Break rules, never make them. She act up, I replace her.